Hey guys, this is Tech Wizard and welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna make a coin flip command which will randomly display heads or tails. So without further ado, let's get started. So in the file directory, I'm creating a new file named as coinflip.js, and in that we do module.exports. Then the name of the command, which is gonna be coinflip. Description of would be flips a coin, and then for the run function we'll say async client message and args. Oops. Okay, so now we're gonna first define an array which would consist of two strings. One would be heads and one would be tails. uh, then we'll use the random function to simply choose a random one, and the bot will display it to the author. Okay, so then we'll say const choices equal to an array which is going to be heads and tails. Okay, so we'll say const choice equal to choices math dot random. Uh, this is similar to the meme command that we did here, mat.floor, and then so I'll just copy and paste this here. So in that case, we were choosing a random string from the meme array, and in this situation, we'll just choose it from the choices array. So I'll just do the choices, and it will this code will choose something randomly out of this heads and tails, and then uh, basically this will choose a number between 0 and 1. So this is the 0th position and this is the first, and when we use that number with the array, we'll get the string at that position. So this will generate a random choice between heads and tails, and we'll simply say let embed equal to new message embed dot set title, which is gonna be coin flip dot set description. We'll say you flipped and then the choice with an exclamation mark, and we'll simply message.channel.send that embed. So this is a pretty basic coin flip command. Let's see if it works. Do node dot, it says coin flip has been loaded and it's ready to go without any errors. So now if I go into Discord and type coin flip, you see that it says you flipped a tail. Now if I do it again tail. This is completely random. Okay, so finally we got a heads, so we now know that this works. And if you wanna highlight this, you can add two asterisks at the start and at the ending, so that will make it bold. And now, oops, so we see that it's bold now. And now if I try it again we get a heads, and if I try to do it again, we get a tail. So this is how you make a pretty much basic coin flip command. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and you can always unsubscribe later on. And if you need any help with any of my videos, feel free to join my Discord and I'll try my best to help you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.